Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle, and beside me I have my beautiful daughter Lyric. If you didn't watch the last video, she did a big chop, okay?
Simply Shell, Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me, she got a vibe for you.
Shout outs to her once again for taking such a huge, courageous step to bettering the health of her hair.
You going all mad slow. Like, I can't deal with that.
Girl!
Mom.
And also a huge shout out to everybody who left her something so nice. The motivational quotes and words were just beautiful.
I appreciate it so much. It made my heart it made it flutter. Thank you guys so much.
And also, if you guys notice a change in my quality, just bear with me. I'm waiting for my new camera. We had some issues with my other camera, but I told you guys if you guys get this video, the last video to 10K, Lyric will come back and do a second video. So what we did was, I'll enter the clip. We went to the beauty supply store and we had fun, okay? This is her first time trying out some wigs and just experimenting just to get her feet wet and just to have fun while she's going through her experience. Yeah, we back in the beauty supply store again because Lyric is gonna play around with some half wigs. And I did promise you guys that she will show you how she styles it because you guys superseded what I asked way more than 10,000 views, so thank you.
Okay, guys, this is the first one.
That looks cute, but I think I'll like it better in black for sure.
No, I just had to try it on. But this is the like curl texture. You can fluff it out.
It's cute.
It's so cute.
I like it because it doesn't look too extra and I feel like the curl pattern is so nice. So now she's gonna be able to try out some of the half wigs and see if she likes it. And then if she does, then we're gonna take her home. Yeah, you put your cap on.
This has an OT 30, has a 1
Period.
30,
Which one you
I
want to
actually don't
try?
even know how to put it on.
OT 530,
Okay.
1B
I
30.
forgot how to put it on.
Like, before we jump into the video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, shout outs to you if you did a big chop or you're even transitioning. Shout outs to those who were motivated by Lyric as well. So, my question to you, because we didn't really talk about it after she did the big chop. I feel like she needed time to sit with it and let it like resonate and marinate because she was shocked after. What were you feeling initially, like after you cut all your hair and you seen it off, like on the ground?
Relieved. I'm like, okay, this is a restart. You know, I still have, because at first I thought I was gonna have to go bald. My hair was so damaged. So when I see I still have, you know, some hair to work with, I was like, okay, that makes me feel better. Honestly, it felt great. Like, I was shocked. Like, when I look in the mirror, I'm like feeling for it, trying to put it in a bun. I can't, but other than that, I feel relieved. It's a new start. I'm excited that I get to experiment more with my hair. You know, I could try new wigs, new styles, and yeah, get it back to healthy. So I feel great.
I love that for you. Like, what did you learn from cutting your hair off? Like, one thing.
One thing that I did learn is don't try to fit in, because that's what damaged it. I try to fit in. Don't try to fit in. Be yourself.
Right.
If you want to dye your hair, get hair wax, get a wig, do things so that you don't damage your hair, because at the end of the day, you may not care, but when it's really damaged and you want to wear it out, you're going to be like, you know, insecure about it. And
Right.
You don't want that.
Sometimes we get really inspired or we make hasty decisions based off of how we feel in the moment, and then we're left with permanent results, which are not always the best for us. So I really love that answer that you gave. Just take your time. And again, there's so many different ways that you can have fun with your hair without damaging it. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Lyric's gonna basically do most of it. I'm just gonna be here to hype her up because you know I'm her biggest supporter.
Halfway, the brand is called Outre, and this is the Mamma Mia.
And I think it's the Mamma Mia. Yeah.
Oh, this is After Midnight.
Because we tried on a lot, bear with us. This is the After Midnight. This one is in the color 1 because her hair is a little like
Not completely jet black.
yeah, like $25. So we just wanted to try it out to see. And it's a deluxe cap that lays flat and it looks really pretty. Like, we were able, like you guys saw, we were able to try it on and stuff, and she fell in love with it. So she's gonna show you guys how she wears it. And also, if you're interested and you just did a big chop and you don't know what to do, you're not so confident wearing your hair like in a short state, Lyric got you.
Ooh.
She's cute. I told Lyric to name her. When we were in the beauty supply store, the lady was so nice that she was like, I named all of my wigs.
I'm gonna name it. I need to like really get into doing my hair like with wigs and stuff. Oh, it looks so.
First of all, let's get into it. Let's get into the texture, y'all. Look at how pretty. So pretty.
Wow.
Stiff wear, a lot of
Bouncy.
body.
And this is
Yeah.
synthetic hair, guys. Look at it.
It gives natural human, literally. And it's
no
all
smell at all. You know, sometimes it be smelling like fishy. You have to wash it.
It does.
No smell. You can get at your local beauty supply. 4 adjustable clips, and then they have a drawstring in the back that you can adjust. No glue needed. No, none of that. You clip it onto like your baby hairs. You don't even need to leave a lot out. This is what we're working with.
So yeah, you didn't show them. No, listen to me. When she came out the other day, I was like, oh my God, my baby, like she literally is rocking it. She
Look at
looks
the
so
curls.
cute. You can already see her curls coming in. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, I love how like your confidence just is showing through. Like, honestly, I didn't expect her to, you know, rock her hair. Like, even when we went to church, she's confident.
Oh, yeah.
You have to embrace everything that you do. Like, even though you're uncomfortable, you have to make yourself comfortable because, like I said, it's just hair and her face is just flawless and her spirit matches. So it's just like she's gonna shine and she's gonna glow wherever. And I want you guys to know that if you're in a state where your hair is not where you want it to be, don't let that make you feel less than who you are. Your hair is just an accessory. And there's ways that you can rock it and still be beautiful.
Okay, the installation is super easy. So the 2 front clips are right here, and there's a drawstring in the back. So you're gonna take where the drawstring is and flip it so it's in the back like this, and you're just going to just put it on top of your head. Just place it. You don't need to do the clips yet.
Simple.
Literally place it on top of your head like that. You should look crazy. The clips aren't even on yet.
It's already cute.
So wherever the drawstring is, you'll see it in the back. There's a piece where you can just push it up and pull so that it like gets tight around your,
You can basically
hair
tighten it as much as you want.
to secure it, right? And then you can pull where the front is, as you see right here. Just find wherever the clips are. See, like there's a clip right here, and you're just gonna snap it on. Just push it in, and it's on. For the front, you're gonna take a little edge brush, and you could take out a little bit of hair so that it could blend. So I'm just gonna take out a little bit of the front of my hair. I have, as you can see, my actual hair right there.
Also, you want to leave a little bit of like the perimeter of the edges.
literally
Okay.
A little bit.
I
not
see it.
even
I
a
see
lot.
it. I see your vision. Okay.
And the drawstring, you can literally just tuck in the back. Like just tuck in the back
Underneath.
underneath the wig. So there's no drawstring showing.
Got it.
Then after that, you can style it however you want. So I think I'm gonna do like a side part to the left side.
You know,
And
everybody has their side, right?
My side is the left.
I feel like my side is, yeah, mine's
Yeah,
the left.
The
Literally.
left. I've always worn a side part to the left. Step 2, you're gonna get a spray bottle, and you can just style it however you would style your natural hair. So you can just basically just wet some pieces in the front, kind of.
To blend it
To
with
blend
the
it,
edges.
and then you can finger curl it. You can use a pick, which I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pick it out. Some of them are a little bit like too tight.
Right.
I'm gonna pick it out, and then for my actual baby hairs, I'm just gonna wet them and put a tiny bit of this edge wax, just so that it could blend just a little bit. And
Is this freaking wig not eating?
This
Like,
wig?
this suits you so good. Frame
show
of your
you
face. Oh my goodness. Like, y'all, look at this. Look at how natural, so pretty. And I feel like it's not doing too much, you know?
$25.
$25 for this. Can't beat it. Honestly, you can't beat it. You can take it off at the end of the day.
It's bouncy. It has a
Right.
bounce
And
to
on top
it.
of that, like, the reason why I like this is that there's not a lot of manipulation. So her natural hair is still being
Yeah.
protected. She moisturized it. And then she can wear this during the day, take it off at night, do her little scalp massages, and that's it.
That's it. Next day, you put it back on.
And keep it moving.
Your hair will grow like this. Just make sure
And
you
it
oil
literally, it's probably, this is like a under 5-minute style. Like,
yeah,
you're
you
not,
can literally, once you style it the first time, all you gotta do is make sure when you take it off, you hang it up somewhere. Next day, put it on, that's it. Like,
Period.
you just have to do your edges.
And pick it out, or you're gonna do the baby hairs first?
My mom's gonna help me pick it out because
Y'all.
I don't really know how to pick my hair.
Well, you want to do your baby hairs first, or you want
Yeah.
to pick it out first?
I'm gonna do the baby part first.
All right. So it's super easy to do your baby hairs. Everybody has their own way and their own style.
Okay, guys, so this is our favorite gel, the Extreme. You see
What?
how big this is?
What? We got the big boy on deck, okay? All of us in this house are curly heads, okay?
And we
And
all use it.
literally, I can't. And I feel like the Eco Styler, the olive oil Eco Styler was our GOAT, but they changed the formula and it just didn't hold. So
Yeah.
this is the new one on the roster. So
We've been using this for months.
What?
Okay.
listen, if you don't know,
Months.
tap in, get you some. And one thing that I love about it is that it doesn't like make it too hard, but it also holds your hair for the whole day, and it's budget friendly. So yeah.
Just a tiny bit.
Yeah.
You could barely even see it. I'm just gonna put it where my edges are and kind of just
make it look as natural and blended in as possible. If you want volume, then you don't want to wet it too much, you know? But just to make it look like a little natural.
Yeah, just not so like, yeah. And I'm gonna separate some of them. Like, I'm so surprised. Like, I went into the store, guys. I never tried this hair brand before. Like, I'd never seen any reviews on it. I just took a risk.
Glad we did, because it eats.
It does eat.
It eats.
Mm-hmm.
You start at the end, you pull it, and then
No, I don't
gives it
do
a little.
it like that.
That's my method.
Grab a random piece and then just separate.
I feel like if you do from top and do it, you're like gonna get a knot. I'm gonna ask another question. If your hair, to the people, if your hair is damaged right now, what's one thing you wish that you would have done differently, or one thing you wish you knew before you damaged your hair? I know for me, I wish somebody would have told me to leave that heat alone. I made the mistake one time and went to a salon and she ruined my curls. She did not put heat protectant and she went over it with the flat iron like 20 times. You only need one good pass, honestly, when you're straightening your hair. You don't need to go over it multiple times. She had fun in my tresses, okay? And when I went to wash my hair was straight.
But if I'm being honest, I also went to a salon years back and I got a silk press. And when I washed my hair, damaged. Do you remember? I have a picture. It literally was so damaged.
It was so bad. And then I feel like know when you have damage right when it happens, because you can smell the burntness in your hair.
Yeah.
Like, even when I had the silk press, my hair was super straight. It was everything I wanted. But every time I would brush my hair or move, I could smell like a burnt smell. It was so bad that even after I washed and shampooed it multiple times, I still smelled the burnt curling iron. So that's when you know that you're in trouble. Like,
that was the downfall of my hair right then.
Literally.
That's why if you do want to go get a silk press, make sure it's a natural hairstylist.
Right, and they know how to treat, protect, because a lot of them just don't. You tell them you want your hair straight, and then they're gonna do it the way
they're gonna
they do
straighten it, but not protect.
Yeah, they're gonna do you dirty. Even when my hair was to my butt, I would say maybe twice a year, if that. And I mostly would air dry my hair so I could stretch my hair. Like, when your hair gets to a certain length, you could just stretch it. You don't have to put all that heat on it.
Yeah, she literally would wear her hair like in a bun.
Yep.
That's it. That's all she did. Or a
and it would stretch.
Mm-hmm.
And then if I wanted to, I'll do like a braid out. It gave me more length when I put it in a bun and left it like that for like 2 days. There's so many different ways that you can go around damaging your hair. So stay away from the heat. Stay away from the colors. I will link all of the good stuff that you guys can do, even when it comes to like the versatility and colors. You guys seen that I do that on my channel a lot. It's called hair paint, and it's very affordable, and it rinses out with water, no damage, and you can change the colors of your hair any day of the week. It doesn't even matter.
Because expressing yourself is beautiful. Just do it in the
Safe.
right way. Safe.
That's so cute.
Yeah, you can like do however you want. I'm gonna do a side part because I like side parts.
And you can also
I don't want it too big though.
Not too big.
It's already big.
You don't want it big like that. See, I'm thinking it's me. When I had mine,
This
I'm
is
a big.
big enough.
Yeah, that is cute.
Cause like the back, let me show you. Okay, stop picking
I
it.
just like it to look a little frizzy.
I literally don't need to put any product in it. Like maybe as days go on, but I feel like it's already so defined. Like there's nothing that I need to do to it.
It looks defined and it looks like shiny. It doesn't look like dry.
I'm gonna show y'all 3 ways that you can style this in case you don't want to just wear it like this, or you don't feel like blending your leave out. So the first way, which is the easiest way, you can flip it back to the, middle, kind of like the back. And then you're just gonna take any headband that you have. You're gonna put it on like this. And you can just make sure you do your edges.
Band style look is so cute. I see all the girls doing it, even I do it sometimes. It's so cute, especially if you're a gym girly.
Oh, definitely.
You can still rock your wig and have your little hair pushed back.
So this is the first way you can style it. Cute little headband, any headband that you want. I have a white one on, but you can style it even to the side. It's
So
cute.
cute.
It's cute. You can do it back to the middle, like.
If you want it really
If you
big
want
in the
it
middle.
really big, you can do it like a big fro,
That's cute.
like this.
I like it to the side.
Yeah, me too. I
The
like
side
it
is
to the
I don't know,
side.
something about the hair to the side gives, I don't know, so cute.
And also, depending on your face shape, the
Right.
side part looks better on you.
Exactly.
So for me, a side part looks better. But yeah, you can wear like this, very comfortable. You don't have to blend your leave out. Second style is you're gonna get your little claw clip, whatever color you want, and you're gonna take the front pieces. You could just take maybe 2 or 3 curls out, however many curls you want, to be honest. And then you're gonna take the majority middle part of your hair and pull it to the back as if you're gonna put it into like a bun. So while you have it like this, you're just gonna take a little claw clip. Do you wanna clip it for me?
I'll clip it for you, yeah. That's cute.
Yes, it's cute.
Okay. That's cute. You could do it like this, or you can flip it up if you want to, but this is super cute. Like it.
Love it.
That is very cute. And I feel like it gives appropriate for like her age. You know what I mean? She's 16, is not doing too much. Little video / tutorial to show you guys what Lyric's been up to. This is what she's rocking with for now. But if you guys are interested in seeing how she styles her natural hair, then give this video another, how much should they give?
15K.
15K. If this video gets to 15K, you guys give it a thumbs up, you share, you repost it, then she'll come back and show you how she styles her actual hair, what products she's using, her hair routine, all the things, okay?
If you guys have any colors that you guys want me to try, just let me know. I'm really
Yes.
excited to like get into this hair journey stuff, and I want to explore new colors, new styles. So any colors that you think will look good on me, comment down below.
Yes. Hope you guys enjoy. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. If this is your first time here and you haven't subscribed, subscribe. We are family. We inspire. We uplift. We love. And that's pretty much it. Love you guys, and we'll see you in my next upload.
Simply Michelle.